Hey tech enthusiasts, struggling with a blank screen on your Vizio TV? I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Vizio TV without a screen. Before we dive in, let's quickly check a few things. First, inspect the power outlet. Try plugging your TV into a different socket. Next, check the power cables for any damage. Lastly, consider possible hardware issues, like a faulty backlight. All good? Great. Let's move on to the reset methods. Alright, let's start with a soft reset. Unplug your TV from the power source and wait for a full 60 seconds. Don't rush, be patient. After a minute, plug the TV back in and try turning it on. Still no luck? Time for a hard reset. Unplug the TV again, but this time, press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for 30 seconds. This will drain any remaining power and completely reset the system. Once done, plug the TV back in and turn it on. And there you have it. Your Vizio TV should be back to life. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.